Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your KCB bank debit card step by step clearly. First, remove your new KCB bank debit card from the envelope and check that your name is correct. Next, look for the sticker or paper that shows where your temporary PIN is and keep it private. Then, sign the back of your card on the signature strip using a pen. After that, make sure you have your KCB account details or identification ready in case you are asked to confirm them. Now, choose the activation method you will use, an ATM activation or a branch activation. If you prefer ATM activation, go to the nearest KCB bank ATM and ensure no one is standing too close. Insert your debit card into the ATM in the correct direction and wait for the welcome screen. Select the language you are comfortable with on the ATM screen. Enter your temporary PIN carefully and press the Confirm button. If the ATM asks you to change your PIN, select Yes to continue. Create a new 4-digit PIN that is hard to guess and not related to your birthday or phone number. Re-enter the new PIN to confirm it exactly the same way. Wait for the ATM to accept the PIN change and display a successful message. Choose a simple transaction like balance inquiry to complete the first chip-in PIN use. Confirm the balance inquiry and wait for the ATM to process the request. Take your card back immediately when the ATM prompts you to remove it. Collect any receipt only if you need it and keep it secure because it may contain partial details. If you prefer branch activation, visit your nearest KCB bank branch during working hours. Tell the customer service officer that you want to activate your debit card. Present your national ID or passport and any account details they request for verification. Confirm your phone number and personal details if the officer asks you to. Follow the officer's instructions to set or change your PIN securely. Ensure you choose a PIN that you can remember, but others cannot guess. Ask the officer to confirm that the card is active for ATM and POS transactions. If you want to use online payments, request guidance on enabling card-not-present transactions if applicable. Before leaving, test your card with a small purchase or an ATM balance inquiry to confirm it works. Keep your PIN secret, never share it, and do not write it on the card or store it in your wallet. If activation fails or your card is blocked, contact KCB customer care or return to the branch for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.